Good afternoon, everybody. Today is 10th of October. We don't have a good setup coming up on our golden structure trade. So just we will do a quick review of Bank Nifty and Nifty and see what it has been doing from the morning. Now, looking at the Bank Nifty chart, we had a substantial gap down, and then market has not been making any lower lows. If you can see this, right? So this low is confirmed when this high was taken out in the morning here. So probably market was about to trend up, which we don't know unless and until this has happened. We were looking for our golden structure setups, which has appeared now, maybe around after 120. So we see a peak formation here. On the way up, there are a few things I wanted to clarify so that people do not get confused in the structure identifications, right? When we are moving up with the higher highs, you are going to only trade once the low of the second peak has been taken out, right? So assuming if this was the scenario and we had a consecutive 3 pushes up, 1, 2, 3. This is the first peak high. This is the second peak high. We see a closure above this, and this is the third peak high. All right. So after 3 peaks formation, and this third is confirmed with the break of this low. While breaking this out, he has also taken out the low of the first peak high. Usually what we prefer that the low of the first peak is intact. If it is intact, if it doesn't give a depth hunting of the liquidity, then the more reliable and the more structure will hold it up. Okay, so since it has taken out, still the structure is in the play. Market is trying to change the direction. But look what happens. As per the process, we will wait for market to come back and retest the second peak high. This is the one. Market came along with the bullish trend, and it has been just vertically moving up, right? So he has not even given you the first test properly. So there is no entry here, right? Okay. So you can avoid false entry if you don't get blindly at the peak of the second high. All right. So after that, there is no proper movement in the market. We see a double top coming up. How do we know? Because once this neckline is broken, we know it is a double top. There is no closure above this. Market went into a channel form. You see this? So we need to understand that market will start channelizing in some format when it is trying to go and test some high and wants to fall down. This I have been emphasizing enough in my previous videos. Start looking at the market, the way it behaves. We have a drop from the market, we pull back. We have another second drop here, pull back, third drop, pull back, fourth drop, and then it goes. So it's in a channel. So when the market start doing this, look for this high. Market may be looking at for some selling from this high. This is what he has done. Then the market took out this low. Now we have a swing high here. This is the third high. Let's make it more readable. So this becomes our third high. This is second high. And this is not the first high. Why? Because the second peak low is lower than this. So all these highs will be together will be the second high. And the lowest lower low than this is probably this one, right? So this becomes the first. Now the market moved down, did not take out the first low of the first peak. There is a break in the structure of a swing high, second peak. Now we want market to come back to second peak high, and we should be looking for selling here. How do we sell it? Mostly we sell it after the second test is done. We will be looking for third attempt. While testing this area, he may go peak inside 39,200, 300. This area, there is a pin bar here. So he may go there, come back, fall down. The first target will be if it doesn't make any lower low further than this, assuming that, and market makes its way up for this level to test it, then look for this as a first target. We have another 1 hour or 2 hours to go. I don't know whether he will do that, but maybe tomorrow if market is flat or maybe it opens within the range of today's trading session, somewhere before this. So maybe you can look for when market goes up, start looking for retesting and sell out. Sometimes what happens is market may directly open at this zone may not open at this high, and then it fall down, keeping open and high as same, right? So this will be your setup. You have to wait for your proper test of this level. If you look at the Nifty, exactly the same thing. We are taking out the swing low now. We have the high in the formation. The second peak formation is in the place. And we have the third. Since we have a closure above, this becomes our second. This becomes our first. And then this low was taken out. So if you go inside the candle and you can understand this, this is the second peak formation. There is a close above. There is a low here, right? This is a break in a structure. And after the break, we wait for this highs to be tested again. Market did not come, continued going down. So this level of, there's a pin bar and an engulfing at this level of peak. So probably this will hold for some time till it goes back here, right? So there could be a trade formation from this place as well. So you can be aware of this, but I would prefer to take from this place. All right. And then we can consecutively try to target all these lows. Okay. So probably market will come down here. He may not go for the testing at all. So that is our bad luck. So we can just let it go. Or else we can wait for tomorrow if the market comes and gives us any kind of entry. Maybe Bank Nifty is holding up. All right. So let's see how the days unfolds, rest of the trading sessions, and we'll meet up tomorrow. Okay. Post market today, probably I look out in the stocks. If we have something matching our golden structure, I will post it so that you people can view and understand more. Thank you so much and safe trading.